Hi everyone, it's a bit of an autumn morning this morning, a bit misty, a bit chill in the air, but it's okay, it's fine. Now what I'm going to do today is look in my box. Now in here I've got spring bulbs from last year that I've stored over summer, so I'm going to have a look today and see if they've done all right. I haven't looked in there yet, so hopefully they're okay. So let's have a look and see how they've done. Right, let's open the box. Now the bulbs are stored in just torn up newspaper to keep the moisture down so it absorbs anything. So hopefully that will have stopped them from rotting or anything. So I've got another box here to put the paper in. So let's start delving into the box and see what we've got. Oh, first one out, nice and solid. That looks like daffodil. And we've got a mix here. Got hyacinth. That was a nice red one. Some little ones there, which are crocuses, and that looks like another daffodil. Now there was a mix of bulbs in here because I planted a bulb lasagna last year, so they're all mixed up, but it's quite easy to sort of tell which ones they are. That's another daffodil. But these all seem as if they've lasted over pretty well. I didn't really want to have to buy more bulbs this year. And I think these are going to be okay, actually. I've seen other people on YouTube planting bulbs already, so I think it's about time they come out of their box. That one there, that's a daffodil. I'll just trim that off before I replant. Get some of this paper out. Luckily it's not a windy day because I would have ended up with paper all over the place. All these are fine. So it's definitely worth trying this method. They can obviously be left in the ground or in pots, but sometimes they go a bit mushy and just rot away if it's a wet weather, although we've had a lot of heat, haven't we, this year? Well, I'm really pleased with the way those have held over. Haven't found a squashy one so far. Tell the hyacinths because we had white and pink and they're sort of the colours on the side of the bulb, so it's easy to tell which ones they are. Then the crocuses are small, you've got daffodils, and we had some tulips in here, so I'm not sure which ones they are actually, whether they're just these really smallish ones. I think they're quite small tulips, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to put them into a pot all together again, the same as last year, so just leave them to come up and do their own thing. Oh, I thought that was soggy, but it's just the outer layer on that bulb is a bit crispy. But it's fine. I think that's all. Oh, that one there. Right. So I'm pleased with the way they've held over anyway. let's just have a quick look at what we've got. Right, there we go. Lot of bulbs. I think it was about £12 I paid for them last year, just a mix of bulbs. But I'm really pleased that I haven't got to buy any more, and these look as if they're going to be fine. So that's going to be my next job, is just plant these in a pot. Basically, the latest ones to flower go in first, and then you work up to the ones that flower first, right at the top of the pot. So there we are. I'm pleased with those. So I'll say bye for now and see you next time.